Hey, buddy, why you seem not happy? I brought you to White Sands. Isn't that White Sands? How's the weather? What's the temperature?
According to my calculations, feels like 60 divided by 10.
Oh, okay. I got to the job site. Leaking connection here. I don't know if it was the PEX or the valve itself. Somebody soldered, but we'll take care of that.
But your arm's in the way, I can't see.
Huh?
Your arm's in the way, I can't see.
I got you. Hey, Meta, record. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The reason I asked you to go upstairs to close the hot water is because if you close it, it holds an air gap, so that way it doesn't come down. Because if you open it, it breathes and it lets go all the water. So, tip and trick for the trades. Using a rigid tool, remove the edges. Make sure you don't have extra. All right, Papi, put this back and give me the drill. We're marking it, make sure we got enough depth for it. There you go. No, kind of good. Put the Webstone. There you go. I put the Pure Flow by Rigid. Press, press, pressed, 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 pressed. Okay, keep it closed. Let's go and turn on the hot water. Alright, so this repair was a ball valve, an old one, right here. I cut it out so I could have enough skin to press. Did a coupling, a Webstone ball valve like always, and then a transition from copper to PEX B from Viega. They got hot water. Found out a happy customer. We got it all set. Fixed the leak. Now they got hot water.